M50d. What's up YouTube, this is Yanis TV. Today we're gonna shoot two Super X5s on the drag race. We got very sunny day today, and with me today is Kirill, very best friend to me. So obviously we got one X5 which is 3-liter diesel.
Guys, on a separate note, we want to tell you that we are not professionals or we don't work for BMW or anything like that. We're just simple guys who love BMWs. We love to compare them. We don't really care about the numbers like brake horsepower and torque and all, you know.
X5 which is 3-liter diesel, and the other one is M50d. So obviously everybody's saying it's 5-liter, but obviously it's 3-liter, just more powerful than just 3-liter. 4 turbos, I think, yeah?
This one's 4. We'll see how they get on.
Yeah, see how fast and which gonna be fastest. I know that this X5 is remapped, so yeah, and what we got now on who gonna drive our X5s. So we got friends in here.
We have friends as well. We gathered some friends, and obviously they're gonna drive.
So and obviously they the car owners. So this guy owns this X5 and the other lad owns that car. So obviously we invited them to this video just to see how powerful those cars are and what they can do obviously on the track.
On a normal road condition, as you can see, it's quite chilly today. It's probably like 11 degrees. The condition of the truck is a bit, you know, slippery. So it's pretty much just normal day-to-day condition. Okay, so we'll see in reality how they get on. That's it, mate. Yeah, sound.
About the video, I know it looks not finished properly because the day when we made the video, it was a bit of a rush. Everybody was a bit under pressure because of the timescales, and I think we've done great video anyway because it was the first video. We definitely gonna do more better videos. We're just learning now. Next videos, they should be proper videos. You know, we didn't made this video good enough because of the time scales, and this was first video for us, so we're not professionals, as we said that before. Yeah, but also you can see those cars are quite powerful, both of them powerful. Anyway, M50d was more powerful because of, you know, turbochargers, and there was a lot more torque on that car. So that M50d, it win that just normal X5, but because the grey one was remapped on the start, we seen that the start he takes better than the M50d, but on the end, on the finish line, you can see definitely M50d is better. But in the comforts, both cars are perfect, both cars are brilliant. Family, even if you want to drive your own that car, it's perfect for you. So anyway guys, if you like this video, give me a huge thumbs up, click that subscribe button, turn on notifications, so in that way you're not gonna miss any video, and stay with us, keep following us, stay tuned, take care, and I see you in my next video. Bam.